We will see the exercise 12.1 acetal. The second one is acetal and hemiacetal. In the acetal, it means the carbonyl group. So the aldehydes are ketones. It will react with the alcohol groups. Two molecules of alcohol group. It will form ether. Final product will be ether. So acetaldehyde dimethyl acetal, which is an ether product. So for the introduction, so the carbonyl group normally C double bond O, the one of the bond, that means a bond means two electrons, right? So the two electrons, as the oxygen attract the electron, so it will be shifting towards the oxygen. So it gets the negative charge, and the carbon group will get the positive charge. Same like here, we have the acetaldehyde, and the electron will be shifting here, and it will make oxygen minus, negative part, and carbon plus. So in the carbon plus, we will get and for the ROH, which is an alcohol group, you can say H plus and OR minus, this product ROR. We can split like this. So the plus compound will go to the minus, and the minus compound, the negative compound, will go to the plus. So C plus will attract OR. So C plus group, after attracting, the plus and minus sign will be changed. So COR, and the other part O minus, the O minus will be joined with the H plus. So OH, you will get CH3OR and COH. So it again reacts with another molecule of alcohol, So I have written here for easy understanding. So in the alcohol group ROH, and with the already existing OH group, so the H2O molecule, HOH molecule will be going out from the reaction, and OR will be formed. So OR, again OR in the product, OR, COR. So this reaction will be happening in the presence of dry HCl gas. So the final product will be an acetal, and the intermediate product, which is after reaction with one molecule of the alcohol, the intermediate product is hemiacetal. So the fifth one is hemiacetal, which is here, and the second one is final one. So this is acetal. Actually, basically this is acetal. Same like acetal, the ketal will be formed as the reaction between the ketone reacted with the alcohols. So the 1 mole of alcohol is reacted with ketone, it is attached. The OR group will be attached, and in the OH group, so in the second step, the OH group I have written here, this OH I have ROH, it is written here. So this H2O will be going out from the equation, so as H2O, and the R will be attached here. So the final product is R, and then OR dash, with these R dash coming from the ether, from the alcohol group. So finally we get the ether group, and here also we have a ether group. So both ether groups, that is why we have the ketal name. So this is a typical reaction for the ketal, and we will have the special case ethylene glycol, which has two alcohol group in one molecule. So which is, this reaction is actually in your CBSE NCERT book. So in the ketone reacts with the ethylene glycol. So here one molecule of H2O will be going out, and then the ring like structure we will get. So R, C, R, then O, CH2, O. So this is a ring like a structure, and this final product will be ethylene glycol. It is derived from the ethylene glycol. So ethylene glycol ketal.